My floating desk will not be possible without a stud finder. This device from Utinos is probably one of the most effective way to find studs, metal, or AC wiring behind the drywall. It's also an electromagnetic field detector. I'll give you more details later. A 9-volt battery is used. I'm going to show you how to use it and walk you through all of its functionalities. Live AC wire warning is also built in as a safety feature. So it's less likely to drill into a wire when I'm trying to mount something on the wall, because there's a live AC wire next to the light switch. This is a quick demo to show you how sensitive the metal detection is. And it's AC wire warning. There are only 3 buttons: on-off switch, the mode, and the scan button on the side. The floating desk is supported by 6 studs. Using the pre-established brackets and drill holes, I'm going to show you how accurate this stud finder is. First of all, the calibration. Put the stud finder on the wall first, power it on, select the mode, then press the scan button on the left, and it will take about 2 seconds to do the calibration. Then move it slowly on the wall. The dead center of the stud will be marked by the arrow. I believe this calibration process has to be done every time it's used or change modes. I have another real-world example in one continuous shot to show you that I failed to find the stud. However, you can recover by increasing the scanning depth. Currently, I just set it to 1/2 inch, the default setting, and I was unable to find the stud. By changing the mode to 1 inch, I did the calibration first, then slide it slowly across the wall. I was able to pinpoint the exact center of my pre-drilled hole above. Calibration and the depth settings are important. Here's another demo to show you how accurate the live wiring detection is. I have not gotten any false alarms so far. In this example, I'm going to show you how I pinpoint the AC wire behind the drywall. Again, put it on the surface first, power it on, and do the calibration, then move it slowly across the wall. The indicator, or the signal strength meter, gradually increases as I'm approaching the wire. So at that point, there's definitely a AC wire going behind this wall, so be very careful when drilling in this area. I can basically trace all the points and form a line. I find out that the electricity warning also comes up when I'm scanning electronics such as a MacBook Pro. It looks like it's able to detect all electromagnetic field. Whenever you see that warning icon turns on the top right, you have to be really careful when drilling. Here's another example where I was able to trace the live AC wire near the power switch. It's really hard to question its accuracy at this point. Thank you very much for watching. I think this tool is a fantastic solution for homeowners.